Tell me you have a spouse without telling me you have a spouse. Hey y'all, it's Min from Min to the Max. I've been out the game for a minute and I'm back because I got something in the mail I'm really excited for, and this is probably going to be something that you guys or anybody that has a Tesla is probably going to want. So what we have here is the MAGBAK rim saver, or the rim cover for MAGBAK for your Model Y or Model 3. And what this does is it covers the curb damage so that you don't have to or it actually protects your rim just in case you get curb damage. You don't have to buy a new rim. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm out of town, my girl drives my car. It's the funniest thing. I mean, it's obviously not funny to me because it costs like $400 to repair a rim or to get a replacement, but I just kind of gave up and they're still kind of messed up. So it is what it is, but these new rim protectors are supposed to protect your rims or supposed to make your rim look like they're new without any kind of curb damage. So we'll see what's up. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. Alright, I am going to try to install these things on the wheels. Just wanted you guys to see damage that wifey has put onto this. Yes, I am blaming her. This is some of the damage that you can kind of see right there. Goes all the way along the line. That took a lot of paint and stuff right there. But good thing I didn't, because hopefully these things will fix it up. Alright, after I wipe everything down with my alcohol towel, and you definitely need to do this because we're using a lot of sticky stuff, just right around the sides here where you're going to be sticking everything. Let me see, real time right now is 4:48 now, so let's go ahead and get this installed at normal speed, seeing how long it actually takes to install once you actually get it all down. I'm not putting the liners on there, the plastic liners. I mean, my rim's already kind of messed up anyway, so I don't want to put that on there because it does take a little bit longer. Here's the first starting point. Pop that on. Boom, already on. That's how fast that one is now. I think it takes longer for me to take off these little pieces than to actually snap it on. That one's on. It's tight. Oh. There we go. It's good. Yeah, so it was harder to put on if you were to use those plastic sleeves. I mean the guards, like these little ordeals. Totally up to you guys. It's there for, you know, protecting your rims from any scratches or anything if you installed incorrectly or when you're trying to take it off. But honestly, it's just a precaution. MAGBAK is just very precautious as far as, you know, how we are as far as Tesla owners, to try to protect every little bit of it as we can. So, but I don't feel the need for it. Because as you can tell, right up here, whoa. Tell me you have a spouse without telling me you have a spouse. Yep. There you go. On all four rims. Just gonna put this one on here. So as you can see, the color of it, it's like a perfect match of it. You can't even tell the difference. if you looked at my car, you would have no idea that there is any kind of rim protector on there. It doesn't stick out as far as the gators, alloy gators, I think they're called. I had some on. You have to kind of hammer it in. This, you don't really use any tools at all. It's just a clip-on, but they're fairly tight. As far as clipping on, as you can see there, I struggled a little bit on that one, but that one is on. These are not coming off. Quality of this is so nice. I'm so surprised. I don't know how they managed to get a product like this, but I am loving it. I'm loving that my rim looks new again. And the cool thing about these are if you or your spouse curbs your car, if they curb your rims, all you have to do is just buy a new set of these, which is very inexpensive compared to the cost of a rim. You just got to replace that. It's like awesome. It's so cool. Everybody needs to get a set of these, because I've owned cars for as long as I can drive. I've had a lot of cars. Let's just say I've had a ton of cars in my days. Never, not one rim curb, no damage. But the day that I get the Tesla, one rim curved. I'm like, oh my goodness. But I did one. Priscilla did the other 3, so she was trying to even them out. Love you, boo. But and now she's driving my car because it's easier to drive, has the baby seat in there, and everything. All right, I'm already on my last one here. The way that this goes is this goes on first. Once you go in, you have to use the tool that they give you to kind of pry out this first part. It's kind of hard for me to pry out right now since I'm at since this thing's at the bottom here. And that's it. Boom. You're good to go. $4.53. That was 5 minutes to install this. Look at it. You can't even tell. You can't tell the difference. It looks like it's a part of the rim. That's insane. Look at that. Beautiful. Good job, MAGBAK. I am very impressed. These are gonna sell out. Now that we got it installed, you see it on the rims, you see it in motion. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. We got more videos coming. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free. Contact me. Let me know. I'm excited. I missed you guys. I miss you guys. Oh, that looks funny. I miss the community. I miss doing this. Tesla owners, we're here to stay. And there's some other things that we want to do. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll chat later. But for now, I got to go. Men to the max, I'm out.